how to redeem Duolingo promo code. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is open Duolingo on your device and sign into your Duolingo account. Here, go ahead and click on the crystal icon, which you'll find at the top of your screen right beside the heart icon or lives. Once you click on that, you'll get redirected to the shop. Now go ahead and scroll to the bottom of the shop and you'll be able to find the redeem a promo code section. Just go ahead and click on the redeem button to enter a promo code on Duolingo. Once you click on the redeem button, you'll get redirected into this area where you'll need to enter the promo code that you've got to redeem the rewards on Duolingo. Make sure to enter the correct promo code in this area and click on the apply button once you have entered that promo code to immediately redeem the rewards on the platform and use it immediately while using the app. So that's basically how you can redeem Duolingo promo code. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.